If you've found an awesome YouTube video and want to show it to your friends, there's now a super easy way to do it. With YouTube's sharing and messaging feature, you can send videos and messages to one or more of your friends without leaving the YouTube app or website. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to share YouTube videos with your friends with the YouTube messaging feature. Now let's get started. The messaging feature is available for use in the YouTube mobile app for Android and iOS devices and can also be accessed on the desktop site. I'll be demonstrating on a mobile device, but I'll show you where to access messages on the desktop site later in the video. To share a YouTube video with a friend in the mobile app, first open YouTube and find the video you want to send to a friend. Tap Share below the video player window. In the menu that appears at the bottom, tap the name of the friend you want to share the video with. If you don't see the friend you want to send it to, tap Add Contacts and send them an invite to add them as a friend. Once you've selected the friend you want to send the video to, you can type in a message to go along with it. When you're ready, tap the Send button. To access your messages on mobile, tap Activity in the bottom menu. Then select Shared to view your conversations. Tap a conversation to open it. Tap the heart icon next to a message to like it. You can send simple text-only messages here as well. To access your YouTube messages on the desktop site, go to youtube.com and log into your account. Click the Messages icon in the top right corner. When you click on a conversation, a chat window will appear at the bottom of your screen. You can only use this feature if you have a YouTube account, and you can only add and message friends who also have a YouTube account. If you want to share a video with a friend outside of YouTube, you can select a different messaging app or social media network from the Sharing Options menu instead of selecting a friend on YouTube. That's everything you need to know about YouTube's new messaging and video sharing feature. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out TechBoomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.